When we cut our heart from top to bottom, we can see that heart has 4 chambers or rooms inside it. The 2 upper chambers are called atria. The singular of atria is atrium. Thus, there is a right atrium and a left atrium on the upper side of heart. The 2 chambers present on the lower side are called ventricles. The right ventricle is present on the lower side of right atrium and left ventricle is present on the lower side of left ventricle. Also, the right and left sides of heart has no connection. The left side has oxygenated or pure blood that is brought from the lungs. Impure deoxygenated blood with carbon dioxide is brought to the right side of heart from body parts. The oxygenated and deoxygenated blood flowing through the right and left sides of heart should not mix with each other. The mixing of this blood will affect the efficient supply of oxygen to body cells. This mixing of blood is prevented with the help of a tough muscular partition, namely septum. The upper 2 atria contract together to push the blood to the ventricles on their lower side, that is, from right atrium to the right ventricle and from the left atrium to the left ventricle. Oxygenated blood is brought to the left atrium, and when the left atrium contracts, that blood flows to the ventricle on the lower side, that is, to left ventricle. When the left ventricle contracts, this blood is taken by big blood vessels, namely arteries, to the body parts. You have studied that arteries carry oxygenated blood to every part of the body and it reaches the organs through capillaries. From the organs, these capillaries collect carbon dioxide and other waste materials and come as veins to the right side of heart. It is because the right side of heart holds deoxygenated blood. This deoxygenated blood reaches the right atrium, and when the right atrium contracts, this blood flows to the right ventricle on the lower side. When the right ventricle contracts, this blood is taken to the lungs for oxygenation. Inside the lung, this carbon dioxide is given to alveolar sacs and oxygen is picked up. This blood with oxygen comes again to the left atrium of a heart and the cycle is repeated.